earrings just about fit. So we've got we'll do the photographs right at the end. Yeah.
We hadn't released any promo, nothing. It was just smoking up the internet. Everybody's been waiting for this. So I'm absolutely delighted. I get a lot of criticism for my books, but I'll tell you there is one book which has never been criticized, which is Two States. So it is such a book which, at least for my readers, it means a lot to them. And I was nervous before the adaptation was happening because, you know, people are like, are you giving it in good hands? And I think this is more than good hands. It looks fabulous.
As you all know, for a very long time, very, very long time. But finally, it's been adapted beautifully by Karan and Abhishek, and I thank them a lot for finally putting it on the screen. Thank you very much.
Karan?
It's been actually wonderful collaborating with Sajid, and I think this film wouldn't have happened if Sajid wouldn't have graciously accepted me and Abhishek in his production agenda. And I think we are eternally grateful. He had the rights, and all I had was Abhishek. And this is Abhishek's. Abhishek marks the 12th debut director that we've actually put out there, and so we're very excited for him. This is his baby all the way, and I think Sajid will agree that a film is purely a director's vision, and he had such amazing fodder to adapt from. So. I mean, thank you, Chetan, for writing your life story out there and your story of your marriage. And it was wonderful to put it together with Arjun and Alia.
But no, it's genuinely a dream come true for me to be able to do a film like this. When I read it, I impulsively knew as an actor I would get to do something that nobody else saw in me. And I'm grateful that Chetan wrote this and Sajid Bhai and Karan came together and thought of taking me in this film. Because I was looking for something like this, and to get this opportunity to play a character like this really excited me, and it looks really nice. I'm seeing it for the first time, genuinely. I've not seen it on the big screen. I've had a blast working on this film. I've made two very, very close friends, Alia and Abhishek. And I get to work with two of the biggest banners in one go, so what more could I ask for as an actor, as an upcoming actor? I think for me, it will always hold a very special place in my heart. I know I signed this film immediately after Ishaqzaade release, so that again holds tremendous value for me, that my first film got me a film like this. It's a very big film. The fact that it's Chetan's bestseller, like he said, he's been loved for this book, and just to be a part of this whole process, I feel very, very happy about it.
Film. I remember speaking to Abhishek once where he said that, you know, this is an idea and all. And I, obviously at that time I was so young, I didn't even think that I would be able to do Two States. I didn't even think about it being a film like as such. But I remember while reading the book that, you know, this girl, I think she's really cool. And I have a feeling if you see her, she's going to be really pretty.
And then we saw her.
That's what I mean was it's such a cool character. And while reading that, it's true. Just keep quiet. Anyway. So when this film was being made, I didn't ever in my life think, and I think Abhi would second me on that, I didn't think it was going to come to me. And it did. And for me to do this film, initially me and Abhi didn't talk much because he thought I was really young and he thought I was not worth talking to during student. Yeah. But
while making the film, they were not
while
talking.
making the film, will you let me speak or you just want to? It has been such a learning experience for me, you know, to work on this film, playing a Tamilian. I had a lot of fun speaking in Tamil and obviously working with the great Arjun Kapoor. So thank you, Karan, and thank you, Sajid Nadiadwala, and thank you, Chetan Bhagat, for making this film, writing this book, and making it a part of our lives.
Of course, very cooperative through the journey. But the film, because of the way the structure has been written, thanks to our panelist, Chetan Bhagat, who's taken it from one city to the other, by virtue of just its construct, there was an internal budget that one could not change, because there was Delhi, there was Ahmedabad, there was, you know, there was Chennai, and we couldn't afford Goa. It's in the book, so we made it Mumbai. Because that was the one thing that we couldn't kind of, there was many, of course, we had to kind of bring it, but it still has a certain kind of production value, given that it's a debut director's film.
Karan, first of all, yeah.
Karan, very keen to know.
How politically inclined are your thoughts?
Do you weigh the pros and cons?
No, I don't think that much. it doesn't work for me when I overthink or think. So I just go with my gut feeling, and with Two States there was no thinking. As I said that when I read the book itself, I fell in love with the character.
Right.
So there was no like, will I be able to do it or not? I just went for the opportunity.
Because Highway, I just saw it yesterday, so I wanted to kind of ask you, because it's something very different. Two States, at least we can see that, you're kind of playing a role
No,
of...
Two States is also different from Highway and from Student. I'm playing an older girl.
Right.
I'm playing a Tamilian.
Right.
I'm the character graph and the character is very different. The story is different, so it is different, and that's my general plan.
So you want to experiment with a lot of your roles?
और हर जन्म में भाई बनेंगे.
Karan Arjun.
ये particularly मुझसे क्यों पूछा गया ये सवाल? I like to watch kissing, yeah. It's wonderful. लोगों को किस करना चाहिए, सबको देखना चाहिए, enjoy करना चाहिए, बार-बार लोग किस करें, हर एक्टर किस करे. ये तो नया जनरेशन आया है, नया ethos के साथ, वरना पुराने नहीं, मैं कहूँगा सीनियर जो एक्टर्स है वो किसी नहीं करते थे. आप सब जवान बच्चे किस करने लगे, वो किस के बाद किस होता है, पिक्चर की ओपनिंग लग जाती है. It's all wonderful. It's all about kissing.
अर्जुन,
अब मैं इससे ज्यादा क्या कहूँ यार.
अरे रुजा ट्रेलर दिखाना बाबा. हम लोग को निकलने नहीं, जो बचेंगे वो देख लेंगे. हाँ तो यार आधा निकाल दो.